We're here.
Does it seem like a good day to be at the beach?
No.
No. This is Half Moon Bay area, and today, as you can see, it's a foggy day. There are many beaches along this highway. This is Highway 1, and here it's popular with the surfers. We are here, Montara State Beach, or Montara. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It is a little misty.
We're here.
Okay, let's go outside. We have to walk a little bit to get to the beach. And there's fishermen and surfers too. Does it smell, Kento? なんか花の匂いかな？ちょっとなんか匂います。It smells. Kento is saying that it stinks. Let's be careful and head on down. We're finally at the beach. And as you can see, there aren't many people. There are some people fishing, and there are some people surfing. We may have caught something. なんだろう。あれ？あれ？
あれどうした？
どうした？
引っかかっちゃった。
We're at the very far end of the beach. I heard that there's sometimes crabs here, so we're looking for crabs. カニいた？
おい。
いたよ。
いた？
でも水があるから行けれない。
さあ何を使ってるの？おお、オッケーオッケー。
Wow!
Thank you so much. Is this for dinner? Wow.
How do you put it on the line? We are having lunch. Is it good? I think so. No luck with fishing today. It's a cold day, but there are quite a few people at the beach.